these are in arithmetic progression. Then we are told to find x and y. All right? So first term, as we are already aware, first term is given by the letter A, and it is equals to 3. This is first term. Okay, first term is 3. This is the second term. This is the third term, and this is the fourth term. So fourth term, fourth term is T fourth. T fourth, and that is equals to 18. Okay, this is the first term, which is 3. This is the second term. This is third term, and this is fourth term, which is 18. Now, the formula for finding the nth term of an arithmetic progression is T-nth. Okay, we may call it U-nth or T-nth. So T-nth, that's for the nth term, equals to A plus open brackets n minus 1, then D. All right, this is what we have here. And from here, we already know our A to be 3, our N is 4. Then we have to find D because we already know T-nth, which is T fourth, right? So what it means is that our T fourth, where we have N here, replace it with 4. So that gives T fourth, right? 4 has replaced N, equals to A. A is 3. So we are going to replace it with 3, then plus. Okay, then this is N. The number at the nth terms is already here, which is 4. So put the 4 here, then minus this 1. Okay, then D. Then everything here is equals to 18th. Look at it here, 18th. So this is 18. So the fourth term is equals to 18th. So what it implies is that 3 plus 4 minus 1 is 3. Then times D. That becomes 3D is equals to 18. Okay, so we can transfer this 3 to the right hand side. If we do that, we are going to be left with only this 3, D equals to 18, then minus, this is plus, okay? When it is crossing, it changes to what? Minus. So this is what we are going to have. Then we are going to end up having 3D equals to 18 minus 3 is 15. Is 15. 18 minus 3 is 15. Then we can divide both sides by 3. Okay, we divide both sides by 3. So 3D is equals to 15. So we divide by 3 and divide by 3. Therefore, our D is equals to 3 into 15 is 5. So 5 is the common difference, which means we are going to keep adding 5 to get the next consecutive numbers. Okay, to get the next higher number, rather. Okay, that's the common difference is the number that will be added. This is 3, for instance. So x will now be 3 plus 5. So x is 8. Then plus another 5, which is 13. Then plus another 5, that will give us 18. So this is 13, this is 8. All right. So what it means is that this is what we are going to get as our answers. So from From here, x, remember we are told to find x. X is equals to 3 plus 5, okay, which is equals to 8. Then our y is equals to 8 plus 5, which is equals to 13. So these are the solutions. X is 8 and y is 13. So because x is the second term, right? So x is a plus d, a plus d. So x is a plus d. That is x, okay? Because x is second term, so it's a plus d. Our a is 3 and our d is 5. Then y, our y is a, okay, let's call it a plus 2d, a plus 2d, right? And our a is 3 plus 2d. What is d? D is 5, right? So that gives us 3 plus 10, which is 13. So whichever way you want to do it, you are still correct. Okay? So that's our y. Our y is the third term. The second term is a plus d. Third term is a plus 2d. Fourth term is a plus 3d. 3d is 3 times 5, which is 15. Plus a, 3, that's 18. So I would like us to add 2 or more terms, okay? Add the next 2 terms, okay? Just try and do it and put it in the session, in the live session, in the live chat, and let's see what we are going to get. Thank you very much for joining me. This is AZ Science TV. It's a channel where we are committed to solving mathematical questions live, okay? So thank you. I hope you had a very wonderful sleep if you are in this part of the world, okay? So thank you for the moments you have had for coming to make AZ Science TV one of your morning devotional activities. We appreciate you for that, and we do hope that you will find our content valuable. For coming along to watch our channel, the content here, we actually are very grateful. We appreciate you for everything you are doing. So your reason for coming, we don't actually know, but we know that for coming alone, you actually meant well for the channel. We appreciate you very much. So please, if you are joining us for the first time and you have not subscribed, please just do where to smash the subscribe button so that you can always be a part of the beneficiaries of the numerous packages we have here in AZ Science TV. We appreciate you for coming, and we do hope that you will find favor in, and that we will find favor in your side by always coming here to watch, always returning to watch. Okay, please smash the subscribe button and click on remind so that we can always remind you, so that YouTube can always remind you whenever we are coming online. Thank you very much. This is a Good Morning Mathematics show. It holds every morning between 7:30, between 6:30 rather, okay, and 7:15. Right? But on Saturdays, our early morning show is titled or tagged Mathematical Weekend, and it starts from 9 to 10:30. So thank you for joining me. Now here we are giving a question. Okay, this first question here is that we are giving we are giving 2 letters in between 2 numbers here in arithmetic progression. So the progression is in a very defined order. The first one here is 3, the second one is x, and here is y, and here is 18. And we are told that this series are in arithmetic progression. Okay, now this sequence are in arithmetic progression. Then, if they are, according to how it is stated in the question, we are told to find the values of x and y, right? So we have lined the series here. Okay, look at this is the sequence. The first term in the sequence is 3. That's the first element in the sequence. You can see here is 3. That's the first term. It's called first term. Then the second one is x. We don't know it. Okay, we have to find x. Then the third one is y. We still don't know it. We are also to find y. But we know the next one here, okay, which is the fourth term. 3 is the first term. Okay, first term a equals to 3. But the fourth term, t fourth, is 18. Okay, that's the fourth term. Now, what is the formula for finding the nth term of a sequence? This is the formula. Okay, t nth equals a plus open bracket n minus 1 close bracket d, where a is the first term as already stated here, and d is the common difference. D is the common difference. Okay, the difference that is common to each of to any two consecutive values here. Okay, so the difference d is 5 here. We got it as 5 here. Okay, so how do we get this? We are just going to substitute. Our n is the nth term, and our n here is 4, right? So we replace n with 4. This is fourth term, equals to a. A is already here, which is 3. So bring down 3 here, plus open bracket. Our n, don't forget, we said our n is 4. So put 4 here. Then minus 1. Bring in minus 1. Close the bracket and put d. We are to find d. Okay, if we must get x and y, we must know the common difference, okay, between each of them. That will help us to get x and y. So, and that is why we have to find d. So here we have 3 plus 4 minus 1 is 3. Then multiplied by d, that's 3d, equals to 18. This is 18 here. Then we can transfer this 3 to the right hand side. Okay, so that leaves us with 3d brought down here, equals to 18 minus 3. Okay, 18 minus 3 is 15. So we have 3d here. This 3d is equals to 15. Then we can divide both sides by 3 so that we can be left with d. All right, 3 cancel 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So this is the answer to this particular question. All right, so d is not the final answer here, but the question states that we should find x and y. Now that we know d5, we have almost gotten the answer. All right, just add 5 to 3 to get x. Look at it here. X is 3 plus 5. That's a plus d will give us 8. So x is 8. What we have here is 8. Then the next one is y. Y is 8. Y is 3 plus 2d. Okay, that's a plus 2d. A is already 3 here. Then 2 times 5, because d is 5. So 3 plus 10. Okay, then we can add up. That gives us 13. So that is the solution. So I hope this is clarified. So this is exactly what we have for a start, okay, for the start of today's class. Thank you very much, and welcome to Good Morning Mathematics show on AZ Science TV. This is a very powerful tool for reaching out to so many persons who wants to learn mathematics and learn it in fun. Okay, we don't want mathematics to be scary to students. We want to find maths very easy and fun. So you should enjoy doing mathematics and not get scared. Okay, you should not be afraid of mathematics. That's our mission here, especially students that are preparing for examination. Please do well to join us so that you can always enjoy some of the packages we have here. Please share this live stream to many students who are preparing for examinations and many who just want to learn mathematics and be at their best. AZ Science TV is a compliment to you, and will continue to serve you as in the best form that we can. All right, so your presence here has been very appreciative. We appreciate you for coming here and for always being a part of AZ Science TV. Thank you for joining me. Now let's take the next question for today. second, third, and fourth term. X minus 2, 5, x plus 2. Let's put check. So we have another question here, right? Very simple question. Here we are giving the values for, here we are giving x minus 2, 5, and x plus 2 as the second, third, and fourth terms of an AP. So the question is quite simple, okay? This question is based on common difference. Don't forget, okay? Because the numbers are arranged consecutively, 2, 3, 4, okay? These are the three terms. So the first one is x minus 2. Then the next one is 5. Okay, this is the second one rather. Then the other one is x plus 2. All right, that's what we have here. Now it's very easy. Okay, there's what we call common difference. Okay, hint. The hint is that we are using common difference. Hint. Okay, that's what we are going to use. Common difference. So don't forget, this is what we are going to use. All right, we are using common difference. Please just write it down. Okay, we are using common difference. Now this common difference means if you minus this one, okay, minus x minus 2 from 5, it is equals to minusing or subtracting 5 from x plus 2. That is the meaning. Since they are common difference, the difference is common. Okay, the difference between this first and this second one and the third one is equal to the difference between the third one and the fourth one. Don't forget, these are second, third, and fourth terms. All right, so it really doesn't matter. You know, it can be first, second, third, but this is exactly what we are giving. So it means common difference 5 minus open brackets x minus 2, okay, is equals to the common difference x plus 2, then minus 5. You can see what we have here, right? Yes, this is exactly the principle. Okay, what it means is that the common difference, this is the second term. Don't forget, second term is a plus d. Third term is a plus 2d. And fourth term is a plus 3d. Plus 3d. If you minus this now, minus this, these two will go. 3d minus 2d is d. Then if you minus this one, remember when you minus this one, we get d. Then we will minus this one again. Okay, this 2 will go. All right. Then 2d minus d will give us d. You can see that they are both d and d. That's what we did here. All right. So we minus this one. from each other, then equals to minus this one from each other. Okay, they will give us the same answer. That is exactly what we're talking about, and that's why we call them common difference, because it is common to any two nearest number, okay, or nearest term. So now we can open our brackets. If we open our brackets, we have 5 minus x, okay, then minus times minus is plus 2 equals to, here there's no problem, just open the bracket, x plus 2 minus 5. Okay, the minus has no effect here, right? But if the minus was here, it will have effect. But here it has no effect. It has no effect. All right. So what it means is that we are going to do a subtraction directly. Okay, please try to differentiate between this and this. Can you see this? Some students will use the minus to multiply this. Please don't do it in this case. All right, don't do it here. So, but you can do it here because the minus is before the bracket. So the minus changes everything here. Okay? It changes the sign to the opposite. But here it does not do that. Okay, so the minus here belongs to 5. That's what it means. Why the minus here belongs to both x and minus 2. Now we can collect our terms. Okay, if we do that, what are we going to get? So let's bring these 2 and minus 5 to the right and to the left hand side and take minus x to the other side. So here we have 5. Bring all the numbers, make all the numbers to remain here at the left hand side. This is plus 2, it becomes minus 2. Then this is minus 5, it becomes plus 5. Then this is equals to, this is x remain here. This is minus x. All right, so bring it to the other side, becomes plus x. All right, this 5 is this 5, plus 2 is this plus 2. This minus 2 you are seeing here is this plus 2. When it is crossing, it changes to minus 2. This 5 here plus 5 is this minus 5. When it is crossing, it changes to plus 5. Then we can strike these 2 out. Then we add up these 2. Okay, that's 5 plus 5 equals to 2x, which means 10 is equals to 2x. So we can divide both sides by 2. Okay, can divide by 2 by these 2, and that gives us 5 equals to x. Therefore, our x is equals to, therefore x is equals to 5. So that is the solution. Okay, this is x. We have to calculate the value of x based on common difference strategy. Okay, this is a common difference strategy that we are going to use, and that was what we have used. So thank you very much for being here. AZ Science TV is a choice TV. Okay, is your favorite online maths TV. So we appreciate you for joining us. For those that are just joining us for the first time, if you have not subscribed, please do well to smash the subscribe button. More goodies are still coming. Okay, a lot of benefits and packages are coming for you. AZ Science TV promises to be the best, but this will not be made possible if you are not here. All right, your presence here matters so much. Without audience, there will be no need for any channel, because the audience are the ones who make the channel.